Hello, how are you all doing? Hope you all are having a lovely, beautiful day. Today is another vlog about the hair system. This is really important question about the hair system, which is I'm going to talk a lot about it. How to make your hair system last. This is another story. When I first wanted a hair system, I was a student, I was on a budget, I didn't want to spend much money. But every place I called to ask about the hair system, everyone was saying to me, you gotta change it every couple of months. You gotta have a new hair system every 6 months. And I called Hair for All. And my first question was, I can't afford hair system every 3 months. He said to me, you can make your hair system last for a very long time if you follow my instructions. If you clean it regularly. I was like, oh, what do you mean by long time? 4 months? He said, no. Year and a half. I said, bloody hell, year and a half. He said, yes, but you gotta follow the instructions. The instruction was simple: to clean it regularly, clean it with the right product. Don't leave it for like 4 weeks, 5 weeks. Maybe I don't move when I sleep at night. I don't know, but I swear and I promise you guys, I followed Hair for All instruction about the hair system, and my first hair system lasted for like year and 7 months, year and 8 months. And I was like, oh, I don't need to change that one. And then I got 10 other hair systems. I've been with Hair for All for 4 years now. I only had five hair system max. That because I do look after my hair system. I do follow hair system instruction about how to look after the hair system. Something more importantly, Hair for All provide you with a very good quality hair system that lasts for a very long time if you look after it. This is today's question about the hair system. If you have any more questions, visit hairforall.com. Give them a call. Ask for a free consultation. It's completely free. It's time to feel good and get your confidence back. Have a good day, guys.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below. And have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.